people. Now, before you get started on this style, you know what I'm saying? Before you get started on the style, what you need to do is, if you haven't washed, go ahead and wash. If you have washed and they got dry, you need to dampen your locks with a bottle of water or some spray bottles. Gotta have some damp locks before you even start the style. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be pulling and your hair dry and you breaking. You feel me? You don't want to do that. You want your hair to stretch and do what it needs to do. You feel me? But without further ado, here we go. Okay, see, this is the part where it gets tricky. I know it's like regular 2-strand twists, you know what I'm saying? You got your joints. If you either got 4 or 5, however many you got, have them even on, but split them in 2, have them even, 2 on one side, 2 on the other, 2 and 3, fucking 3 and 3, it don't matter. Get them like that, ready to hit your 2-strand motion up. But as you 2-strand, you got to twist them at the same time. And I got a little example drawn up. You see it right here. It's kind of hard to catch it, but here's my little example. You feel me? You got to twist as you twist them. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. You feel me? And you got to keep going like that and keep it tight. That way, when you let go of the 2-strand twist, and it does that slight loosen up. You know what I'm saying? When it does that at the root, it's tightening, keeping that root tight. You know what I'm saying? So boom, you be set to go in that bitch. You feel me? as you can see, that is how it's done. You know what I'm saying? Pretty simple, kind of not simple, but simple at the same time. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you get the hang of doing it like that, you'll be able to get faster. You know what I'm saying? See, I don't even know how to do it right. That's why I had Braid do it. You know what I'm saying? So if you need help, get some help. You feel me? But if you feel like you can get that, go ahead, get that. Practice makes perfect. You know what I'm saying? You be in there. You feel me? You be good. But, you know what I'm saying, as I sleep, I either put this on or my do-rag with it's like a little pillowcase, but with the strings, you know what I mean, little lock sock do-rag thing. Yeah, I put that on, or I put on my cottony lock sock right here, you know what I'm saying, and stay on, you know what I'm saying, nigga be fresh. You feel me? You see them baby hairs cut, a mini cut. Oh, nigga. Alright, just keep it locked, keep it healthy. Until next time, it's your boy, and I'm out.